Good morning. Today we're in Laos, still in Huay Xai, and we're going to be taking a sleeper train all the way to Luang Prabang. It's going to take about 2 days, we think, but it should be interesting. Just to show how close we are currently, this is Laos, this is the Mekong River, and that's Thailand over there. And they got a really cool golden Buddha just chilling on top of the mountain.
It is early. On the slow boat, the prices are very expensive because you obviously don't have a choice to get it anywhere else, or you buy it in the town. So we're getting a little lunchbox for 25,000 kip.
Got the sandwiches, 70,000, so 20,000 more than we thought, but happy enough with the little breads.
Shopping hall. Sandwiches, these, macado, ayam berishaha, ayam goreng berapi.
Peanut butter magic sandwich crackers.
That's it.
Checked out of everything. Got all our bags here. Waiting for an extremely cheap taxi. And then we're gonna go to our slow boat. Got our seats for the next
2 days.
2 days. Comfort levels are high. Yeah, they're not even our seats, but nobody's taken any seats they've got, so we'll see how it goes.
Yeah.
Our bags just got stored underneath the boat, just underneath the floorboards. So I hope to get them back, and so many people are coming. It's gonna be such a full boat. Surely they're not going on the boat. Oh, they're coming on the boat. There's so many people getting on. We are like 20 minutes late and people are still pouring in. Are we going?
Yeah, we already had an accident.
Yeah, we already crashed, but I think it's like bumper cars getting out of here.
Could have gotten that one there.
That's a different type of slow boat there. The views are already insane. Oh, it's gonna be a good trip.
I'm gonna sleep.
Just pushing with a little bamboo stick. That's funny. We've moved. Choo choo. Quite a decent speed for a slow boat. Cool thing about the Mekong River, once you're in the northern part of Laos, it's actually the border of Thailand and Laos. But all of the islands that are also on the river all belong to Laos because the Mekong River flows in towards more midlands of Laos later. So every rock you see on the middle of the Mekong River is Laos. So there you go. Just turned around and started going the other way. Maybe we park up there or something. I think maybe we're just picking up some people. They're just selling fruit. Very chewy bread, that's for sure. It's about midday now, so we're about 2 hours further down the road. But now we're at the point where this is Laos, and this is Laos. Dropped off the people who sold fruit, and now we go again. Had a quick little nap you did. Making progress. Like you get so used to it, it's the same everywhere. Lots of people playing in the water, lots of animals around the water. It's cool. We go back on the road. Shield's got to a beach day this entire trip. All she's wanted is a beach day.
They're lekker.
These are so good. Another stop. There's so many slow boats we passed, and ours is by far the most overcrowded. There's like 10 people on.
It's been exactly 6 hours, so I decided to stand a little bit and look at our princess. Immediately taking my spot.
Next up, it's been 6 hours of just the same beautiful mountains all around. We've got maybe another hour or two and then we'll arrive in Paddy. Once we're in Paddy, we're going to stop over and hotel maybe, check out Paddy for a bit, and then tomorrow morning we'll finish our trip to Luang Prabang. She just got her infinite lives on Candy Crush. This one's it. At least there's no motion sickness. I thought I was going to get very sick, but because it was the river, we were going against the stream, I think, pretty sure. But yeah, no motion sickness at all. I think I can see Paddy now. I'm happy to put some shoes on, get my bag from under the boat, and carry on. Happy out. Here it is. We made it.
Found our taxi.
All good to go. It's a nice little spot. We got a view of the Mekong River. Pretty cool.
Smells terrible though. Smell that?
Yeah, this smells great.
So basically the owner of this guest house told us to go to Hive Bar, but Hive Bar on Google is very expensive. So we looked up another restaurant which is called Sabaidi Bar, and that one is a lot cheaper, a little bit more out the way, but we're gonna try and go there for sunset, because never go where they recommend you to go.
They have so
If it's
many
like that.
leaflets. So many leaflets. Too many leaflets. Suspicious. We're in our restaurant now. A handwritten menu. And look, I got the good seat.
We got Summersby again.
Shot Summersby cider. Such a cool menu though, the way that they've done it. Get little reviews from people who have been here. I got fried bamboo, rice, Shil got chicken curry, and rice.
Thank you.
Oh! Oh! Awesome stuff. Oh, awesome stuff. Yay!
Finally found a seat. Very picky.
Car seat number soy. And a view. The options we had were the first one with no view, more legroom, and
Smaller. You want to go smaller every time. You have to pick right. They take different car seats out of different cars. You gotta get the best one.
just day 2 on the boat. Today's longer.
8 hours. Yesterday's 6.
Yeah, so 8 hours on the boat to get from Paddy to Luang Prabang, and then we're finally done. We got sandwiches again from the boat owner for 40,000 baht each, chicken and cheese, not bad, and then a few extra snacks. So we'll be eating well for
Taste
8 hours.
test later. Looks like little milky yogurt.
We haven't left yet. We're in the snacks.
just left. Only 10 minutes later now instead of an hour yesterday. And it's a lot more quiet.
Yeah, it's a really empty boat.
It's not really empty.
It's more empty. Emptier.
Emptier.
I don't remember having life jackets the last time either. So maybe it's a bumpier ride.
Probably just safer.
It's like it's 2D. God, there's nothing in there. We've made so many stops now.
We've had bracelets being sold, nothing being sold.
Throw food at them.
Throw food at people. I don't know what else.
Taking the passengers instead.
Yeah, we're arrived in Luang Prabang.
Fight for our bag begins. That's the end of the longboat. Won't be in any major rush to do that again. 2 days. Made it to Luang Prabang, and we're on next to the night market, which our hotel is. Not so bad, is it? You know the right way to go?
Nope, but the ATM first.
Okay. Taking a look at this place.
Yeah, it's nice.
A lot of night markets. Seen a big stage, so for music, a lot of.
I've not seen that.
Yeah, just there. Well, I seen a big stage. Live music looks like very hustling. A lot of people in it, which is good.
We have arrived in Luang Prabang Hotel.
At the Luang Prabang Hotel, we got upgraded to a big room, so we'll be chilling. If we have an argument, not a problem. 2 beds. How fun is that? The pier when we got off was lovely and a little bit dirty. I think I seen surely there was a bottle there somewhere. Anyway, till next time.